Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Wiser. Today I'm going to teach you how to take a screenshot on iPhone without touching anything, without pressing anything, or without using your hands. Let's just say sometimes your hands are dirty, you're eating food, you're getting snacks, and then you don't want your dirty hands to touch your phone, but you want to take a screenshot. Then this is the perfect video for you. Make sure to watch it till the end. First of all, you want to go to settings. And then scroll down till you find Siri. If you haven't set up Siri yet, you need to set up Siri in order to use this feature. You will see listen for Hey Siri here. Make sure to toggle it on. Now Siri is set up on my phone. Now if you want to take a screenshot, you just need to say, Hey Siri, can you take a screenshot for me? That's literally how easy that is. So guys, if your hands are dirty and you don't want to touch your phone, this is the perfect way to do so. So if you want to take a screenshot without touching your phone or using your hand, using voice is the perfect way to do so. Make sure to set up Siri and you're good to go. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you find this video helpful, make sure to drop a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content. I really appreciate it. Have a good rest of your day.